welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look. This look is all about the skin. It's all about being dewy and fresh for spring. Also, the head wrap was inspired by Makeup Tiffany J here on YouTube. I'm really feeling it. What do you guys think? I know it saved me from having to do my hair today. I hope you all are ready for spring like I am, because it's currently snowing here. We're gonna jump right into this springtime fresh glowy look. So if you wanna see how to get this look, then please keep watching. Since we're gonna focus on the skin for this look, we want really dewy, healthy, nice looking skin. So I'm gonna prime using my Hourglass Mineral Veil. I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna add some gold pigment to it. This one is by MAC in the color Gilded Gold. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of the pigment on the back of my hand and then mix it with the brush, and I'm gonna put that all over my face. By doing this, you're gonna give the skin a nice, healthy glow even before we apply foundation. I'm gonna pretty much place that everywhere except my nose because I get so oily on my nose. So I'm gonna leave that area alone. Now that I'm looking like a nice little shiny disco ball, I'm gonna add some foundation. I'm gonna go in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear. I normally don't purchase radiant foundations or luminous foundations since I am oily. So this one is the closest thing that I have to something dewy or luminous. Mixing your moisturizer or primer with a pigment is a nice little hack if you don't have any luminous or dewdrops on hand. I don't have any, so I'm choosing to do it this way, and you should pretty much get the same look. I decided to do my brows off camera because they were giving me a fit. I basically had to perform surgery on them to get them to look right. I'm gonna jump right into concealer. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Biscuit. Now this concealer is matte, but it's a soft matte, so it still gives a nice, natural, luminous look to the skin. I'm going to set under my eyes with Sephora's Mattifying Powder Foundation in the color Golden Fawn. Next, I'm going to go in with the Cover FX Loose Setting Powder. I'm just going to place it directly under my eyes and around my nose where I get oily, and that's it. I'm going to be very, very light-handed with this because we want to keep the look nice and dewy. A little on the chin and forehead. I'm going to remove any excess powder except the powder around my nose. I'm going to allow it to bake a little bit just because I get so oily in the nose area and I want to avoid that. I'm going to set the rest of my face with Sephora's Micro Smooth Powder in the color Hazelnut. Now, this is not mattifying, so it should give me a nice radiant look. For the eyes, I'm going to keep the look pretty simple. I've already gotten some concealer on my eyes, but I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more as my base for shadow. I'm just going to tap that in. I'm going to take this pinky brown color here from this Inglot palette and apply that to my crease. Going to keep this color pretty round. I don't want anything too harsh or too angular or too blown out. Okay, so that's pretty much all we're going to do for the crease. For the lid, I'm going to take this Dose of Colors eyeshadow duo in the color Shell. And when you flip the lid open, there is a primer in there or a base. And I'm going to take a flat brush and apply it directly to my lid. And when you open the eyeshadow duo up, there is a pigment here. And I'm going to place that right on top of my lid. And this is one of those looks where you want more like effortless glam. So you don't want your eyeshadow to be too structured. You kind of want to just slap it on there, for lack of better words, and let the lid color melt into the crease for more of an effortless look. So I'm going to go in with my first brush and just blend out the edges. For lashes, I'm going to go in with the style Foxy by Cake Face Beauty. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this Purple Eye Kohl by Lancome. I'm going to go back in with the same color we used on the crease to blend it out. I'm going to skip out on contour and go straight in with bronzer. I'm going to use my CoverGirl Queen bronzer. I'm skipping out on contour because I want a nice warmed bronzy look. Nothing too chiseled or too structured. Now that we've warmed up the skin, it's time to go in with highlight. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm gonna mix the colors Eclipse and Lyra. I'm going for a nice pink highlight today. For blush, I'm gonna take this nice pink one by Tarte called Glisten. For my nose highlight, I am going to go in with a gold, and I'm also going to put some down the bridge of my nose. I highlighted my Cupid's bow with some gold highlighter. Next, I'm going to go in with the Ellery and ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the color Stilo. I'm going to add some Fix Plus to finish it all off. Alright guys, that wraps up this makeup tutorial. I feel like I'm looking nice and glowy and dewy. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!